Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you convert your cryptos and funds in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see a bunch of options again. Now you just simply have to tap into this app icon into the top left corner. Just simply select that, and after selecting this you will get to see this option of convert directly. Just simply tap to convert, and after tapping into convert you just simply have to select the network from which to which network you are doing this. Just simply select the network from this section, and after that you have to enter the amount of the currency or the crypto which you would like to transfer to another currency. Just simply do that, and after that tap to preview button, and if you have enough crypto to trade or transfer, you can very easily do this. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.